Recovery from shoulder or knee injuries or surgeries requires physical therapy and rehabilitation. The Home Ranger is a therapeutic rope and pulley system widely adopted by physical therapists for decades. This is the brand that changed an industry. The original Home Ranger Shoulder Pulley, introduced in 1985, brought rehab into the home, allowing patients to improve their range of motion between therapy sessions. Available in the original web strap version featuring comfortable custom molded handles, or the stainless steel door bracket version with assisted grip handles. The Home Ranger Shoulder Pulley is a popular, proven rehab and physical therapy solution for at-home exercise. The Home Ranger Knee Pulley is innovation at work, using the same distraction technique utilized by physical therapists. The Home Ranger Knee Pulley reinforces gains made in the clinic by working to reduce pain and swelling, and helps speed recovery by allowing patients to perform rehabilitation exercises at home between office visits. Embraced by physical therapists and their patients, the Home Ranger is the only pulley system that features a Sure Track self-lubricating nylon pulley for a smooth, quiet, fluid glide, and comes with a marked rope to gauge progress. Rigorously tested for strength and durability, the Home Ranger is a practical, versatile, convenient solution for the clinic, the office, or at home. Get the entire line of Home Ranger shoulder and knee pulleys, manufactured by PrePak Products. Practical, powerful, proven.